What do we know about this move?
Well, Sherry, from what we know, Alibaba will be the sole investor in the funding round. It would be about a fifth of Grab's last known valuation, which is $14 billion. And of course, it comes amid growing questions over the company's ability to live up to its lofty price tag, like a lot of other tech companies. Remember that Southeast Asia is a huge region of 650 million people, a lot of potential, and Grab will give Alibaba access to data on millions of users in 8 countries, including the likes of Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, all seen as growth economies. And Grab will also give it access to a growing delivery fleet, digital wallet, financial services. So lots to be gained by Alibaba in doing this. Not surprising then, Alibaba is betting big. In fact, people familiar say that the $3 billion that it may invest, it represents the biggest investment in the region since its first investment in Lazada, an e-commerce platform, if you recall, that happened in 2016, and it paid $4 billion for that. Now, according to Bloomberg Intelligence, the investment in Grab could boost user growth of Lazada, help it play catch-up after losing ground to the likes of Shopee, which is backed by Tencent. So it's almost like a double-edged sword here, and all coming at a time when it's facing mounting competition from Indonesian rival Gojek as well. Relations between the two companies, as we've been reporting, have been pretty hostile. So against all this backdrop, this investment in Alibaba really comes at an opportune time.
And has Tencent, in the meantime, also joining Alibaba ByteDance to choose Singapore as an Asian hub?
Well, that's right. And not surprising, too, given growing hostility from the U.S., forcing Tencent to look for an alternative home. Tencent said in a statement it will open a new office in Singapore, support its growing business in not just Southeast Asia, but beyond. And to that end, it is recruiting for various positions, including tech, business development. If you take a look at its hiring site, it's looking for positions to fill dozens of job openings, including cross-border commerce, cloud computing, esports. So a wide range of jobs that need to be filled. Alibaba, not alone in seeking Singapore. Tencent is not alone in seeking Singapore. We have Alibaba ByteDance also in this huge race to build up their presence close to home after the setbacks, not just in the U.S., but in India. People familiar say Tencent has been considering the shift of some of its business operations, including the international game publishing for some time now. Its footprint has been pretty small, pretty modest, so it is looking to expand that. I mean, some people may say, why Singapore? Why this red dot, as some say? It is because Singapore is pretty neutral. It's been careful not to take sides in the standoff between the U.S. and China.